3-bedroom character home with massive potential, a 784 square metre site. It's on one of the best streets in the neighbourhood, and it's right here waiting for you. 29 Springfield Road, Western Springs. This much-loved family home is hitting the market for the first time in over 60 years, and it presents a chance to secure a family home in this tightly held pocket of Western Springs. With 3 bedrooms and a study, you won't run out of space in the immediate future. The kitchen and the living both open to the north and to the west to make use of this amazing aspect. You're going to love the amazing original bathroom. And you're going to really love this ceiling. I don't think I've seen a better example, certainly not from this period. And while it's original, it certainly has some fantastic features to make the most of. And this really is your chance to create a legacy in a top-notch location. This is such an amazing opportunity, and we will be here on the weekend between the birds and the established fruit trees waiting for you to come and have a look. If you can't make it then, give us a call and arrange a private viewing. We cannot wait to show you through.